Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch account in Mobile Legends. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to switch accounts in Mobile Legends, then first make sure that you've opened up the Mobile Legends application on your mobile device. Once you are logged into your account, click on your profile picture at the top left. Now, tap on the account button from the left-hand side menu, and if you go to the right-hand side, you'll be able to see a switch account option. Tap on it in order to open up the pop-up. Now, if you've connected to all of these accounts over here with the game, you can switch whenever you want with the account. Now, in the pop-up, select the account you'd like to switch to. In my case, I'm going to select the Moonton account option, and on the next page, you need to enter the credential associated with the account that you've selected. If you've selected Moonton, you'll need to go ahead and enter your email address associated with Moonton. On the next field, enter the password for the account. Finally, tap Login. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to switch your account in Mobile Legends. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.